I'm an environmental consultant and I work for myself. I specialise in threatened species management. I chose to take a career in land management because I'm incredibly passionate about the environment, and I decided that I really wanted to do something that would mean that I would have advocacy for our native plants and animals and for the things out there that couldn't actually speak for themselves. The highlights for me in my everyday work are actually getting out and about in the field. So I can be out in the bush on a day that's 1 or 2 degrees. I can have frozen toes and I can be out on the ground measuring plants, really feeling the elements. Or I can, enjoy a beautiful day like today where it's, 26 degrees and I get to stroll through the bush staring and looking at butterflies. I really do value and find rewarding the opportunity to be out there working with community groups and not only sharing my knowledge with these people but also learning from them. I work with an amazing network of community groups who have got vast knowledge of different things in the natural environment. Not only do I get to give to them through my knowledge, but I also get to learn from them as well, which I find quite inspirational and rewarding. One of the biggest challenges that I face as a threatened species manager is securing funding for some of the projects that you may have started a few years ago, or projects that you can see really require effort and energy and resources, and then trying to secure the funding to see the continuity of those programs or to even just see them begin can be really challenging. The thing that I'm most proud of in my professional life is the fact that I received a Winston Churchill Fellowship a few years ago. This is not an easy thing to be rewarded with, and I was fortunate enough to receive a fellowship to look at butterfly conservation programs in the US and the UK. So I got to do a whole heap of travelling under the fellowship, which meant that I was able to bring back what I learnt from conservation programs in other countries and bring them back here to Australia and put them into practice. What advice I would like to give to prospective students? It would be that if you have even the slightest inclination that you might be interested in studying conservation or land management, give it a shot. You might find that you love it.
To explore your own unique career options, click on the Careers page now.